How to install WordPress redirect plugin tutorial 2020. So in this video I'm going to show you how you could install WordPress redirect plugin. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews and how to create an online business, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So currently I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. So if your website is really slow, I would suggest checking this out. I have a 70% discount. The link is down below. Now to install the redirect plugin, all you have to do is go to plugins, click on add new, and I would suggest click over here and type rank. So we are going to install a plugin called Rank Math SEO. So as you could see, I would install this, and if you're using Yoast, try to import all your content to Rank Math, because I've done a comparison in the past. Rank Math is one of the best free SEO plugin, which gives you all the features which are not available in the free version of Yoast SEO. You need to pay to get all the features. So I would suggest Rank Math, and I will show you in a minute. So once you have activated it, click on Rank Math on the left hand side, and there are two options you need to activate: 404 monitor, which is already activated, and then the next one is the redirection. The reason we do this is, so let's say currently right now we go on the website, we click on visit site, and then we type 1234, someone types this and it's giving a 404 error. So this is a 404 error. So when you go on the left hand side, if you go on 404, so if I just click over here, refresh, and then you could see the 404 monitor, click over here, you could see this one. So you could go and click redirect, and then once this is redirected, you can put the destination URL and add redirection. So someone goes to this link would get redirected to whatever destination you have provided. That's the reason I would suggest this, because no use just installing a redirect plugin if you don't know where is your 404 errors. So I would always suggest install this, and you would, there's a saying, with one arrow you could kill two birds. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but then this is how it is. Easy, simple to use, and not complicated. So this is how you install a redirect plugin on WordPress. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And also, before you leave guys, I've created a free crash course on how to build a WordPress website for beginners. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And I also show you a technique how to get free traffic to your website. So if you want to learn about this, the link is down below. It's a free course. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.